Aster buds.
Hey Aster buds! In the last one-word substitution video, we learned about the specialties and specialists in the field of medicine. In this video, we'll explore some fascinating fields of science and nature, like biology, geology, zoology, and more. You'll learn about the specialists who study the world around us, whether it's deep oceans, soaring birds, or ancient fossils. Let's dive in and discover the exciting world of nature and science. Biology. Biology is the study of living organisms and their processes. The specialist who deals with biology is called a biologist. Zoology. Zoology is the study of animals, including their behavior, physiology, and classification. The specialist who deals with zoology is called a zoologist. Botany. Botany is the study of plants, including their structure, growth, and classification. The specialist who deals with botany is called a botanist. Ecology. Ecology is the study of ecosystems and the interactions between organisms and their environment. The specialist who deals with ecology is called an ecologist. Marine biology. Marine biology is the study of organisms in the ocean and other marine environments. The specialist who deals with marine biology is called a marine biologist. Entomology. Entomology is the study of insects and their interactions with humans, other organisms, and the environment. The specialist who deals with entomology is called an entomologist. Ornithology. Ornithology is the study of birds, including their behavior, migration, and habitats. The specialist who deals with ornithology is called an ornithologist. Herpetology. Herpetology is the study of reptiles and amphibians. The specialist who deals with herpetology is called a herpetologist. Ichthyology. Ichthyology is the study of fish, including their biology and ecosystems. The specialist who deals with ichthyology is called an ichthyologist. Mammalogy. Mammalogy is the study of mammals, their behavior, and ecology. The specialist who deals with mammalogy is called a mammologist. Mycology. Mycology is the study of fungi, including their genetics, biology, and uses. The specialist who deals with mycology is called a mycologist. Paleontology. Paleontology is the study of prehistoric life through fossils. The specialist who deals with paleontology is called a paleontologist. Geology. Geology is the study of the earth, including its structure, composition, and processes. The specialist who deals with geology is called a geologist. Seismology. Seismology is the study of earthquakes and seismic waves. The specialist who deals with seismology is called a seismologist. Volcanology. Volcanology is the study of volcanoes and related geological processes. The specialist who deals with volcanology is called a volcanologist. Hydrology. Hydrology is the study of water and its movement on and below Earth's surface. The specialist who deals with hydrology is called a hydrologist. Limnology. Limnology is the study of freshwater ecosystems, including lakes and rivers. The specialist who deals with limnology is called a limnologist. Astrophysics. Astrophysics is the study of the physical properties of celestial objects and phenomena. The specialist who deals with astrophysics is called an astrophysicist. Cosmology. Cosmology is the study of the origin, evolution, and fate of the universe. The specialist who deals with cosmology is called a cosmologist. Meteorology. Meteorology is the study of weather, climate, and atmospheric processes. The specialist who deals with meteorology is called a meteorologist. Oceanography. Oceanography is the study of the ocean, including its physical and biological aspects. The specialist who deals with oceanography is called an oceanographer. Planetology. Planetology is the study of planets, including their formation, composition, and atmospheres. The specialist who deals with planetology is called a planetologist. Climatology. Climatology is the study of climate and its variations over time. The specialist who deals with climatology is called a climatologist. Cryology. Cryology is the study of frozen water, ice, and snow in natural systems. The specialist who deals with cryology is called a cryologist. Arachnology. Arachnology is the study of spiders and other arachnids. The specialist who deals with arachnology is called an arachnologist. Taphonomy. Taphonomy is the study of how organisms decay and become fossilized. The specialist who deals with taphonomy is called a taphonomist. Geomorphology. Geomorphology is the study of landforms and the processes that shape the Earth's surface. The specialist who deals with geomorphology is called a geomorphologist. Speleology. Speleology is the study of caves and their ecosystems. The specialist who deals with speleology is called a speleologist. Biogeography. Biogeography is the study of the distribution of species and ecosystems in geographic space. The specialist who deals with biogeography is called a biogeographer. Environmental science. Environmental science is the study of the environment and solutions to environmental problems. The specialist who deals with environmental science is called an environmental scientist. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about the amazing specialists in science and nature. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Drop a comment below to tell us your favorite field or ask any questions. See you in the next video.